Sundan mo si The Boom Boom Billy.
Boom, boom.
Ay,
I'm
saan na si
lost. No, I'm lost. Dito na tayo sa D.
Dito nga na lang tayo nga sa D.
We secured Echo.
Na-DC yata si Zay.
Ayan,
Uy,
ayan.
may kalaban dito.
Saan?
Move to attack the marked objective.
Dito lang, ano.
Discord? Or the game?
The game yata,
Yan.
na-DC yata.
I can see
Ayan
you.
o. Ayan na siya.
Ay,
Dito na ako.
Nasaan sila? The B? B and C?
Oh, Zay. Leading the way. Contact.
Saan?
Right there.
Ay, kakampi pala yun.
There's a tank on the right side.
Oh, yeah. Let's not do that.
Gonna go. Oh shit! Here! There's two.
May salamat kayo dyan, be.
Yeah, there's two
Dalawa
here
na
on the
tayo?
left. On the left.
Ay!
On the
Ay,
left.
kala ko
there's
patay
like
na.
3 of them or 4.
Ang dami nila. 4.
Yeah, we're all dead. Squad versus squad. We lost.
We lost. Because I'm using a focus shotgun. It's time to change. Later,
I'm gonna go to HQ. Maybe we're at the tank if there is. I don't see any.
Sponsor.
Ba't nasa headquarters ka, be?
I was looking for a tank. Didn't find one.
Saan tayo? Sa D?
Alright, we now control more objectives. Secure our defenses.
Damn, long walk.
Be advised, hostiles are
Dito,
assaulting
dito sa
Echo.
left.
Almost there.
Ay, kala ko namatay ka, Ray.
May kalaban pa dito. Nandito pa siya.
Oh. Oh yeah. They're here.
Madami
right
dyan
there.
eh.
Crouch. Grenade.
Hold on, I'm gonna die.
Watch out for the left.
That one.
Madami
Yeah.
sila dyan.
Ay, hindi ko naabutan si Zay. Ow! Kaya pala si...
Damn, there's a lot of them.
Yeah. Marami. Wala ka bang, hand grenade? I'm gonna spawn to Zay.
I think I have a flashbang. I don't know.
Nice one.
Wala akong makita.
Ay, nandito na pala sa gilid. Sa likod ng
Nasa gilid.
ano, van. Yeah, you can see them in the back of the van. Yan,
Oh,
si Zay.
shit.
Si Zay.
Meron pa dun eh.
On the right side.
Kumawa.
Behind us.
Sa bahay na yun. I'll just stay here.
Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Shit. Got 3 on the right.
Ah, si Zay.
On the right.
Sa likod?
Yep.
Ay, ang dami. Nalikod na pala tayo.
Oh, I gotta revive. Oh I died again.
Ay, naubusan ng bala.
Mare-reso pa kaya tayo dito.
Ayan, nareso nga. Ray, reso me. Ay,
Ay!
meron ng reso sa akin.
May kalaban.
I don't have,
Ang
I don't
dami.
have ammo.
Oh man. Oh, grenade.
Ay, wala.
We need defensive support on the marked objective.
There's down.
Ay, meron pala sa kal.
Got you.
Okay. Meron dyan sa kanan eh.
May kalaban sa Delta. May kalaban sa Delta. Isa. No, marami na.
Oh, got it.
They're behind you guys. Si Delta, Delta. Iikutan na kayo.
Got one.
Wala akong bala. Nasaan ba may mga bala dito?
Dito, sa akin, sa akin.
Where? Where are you?
I'm right here.
I'm here.
Here's the bag. There it is.
We are ahead of the enemy. Mission's on track.
Oh,
Okay.
he's dead.
Hey!
Ah! Namuhay pa ako. Ay! Namatay ako.
Surrounded.
Meron din sa taas.
Mag-HQ ako. Babalikan ko yung T.
HQ? Oh, yeah. There's a tank. Is that a
Meron
tank?
Be advised, we've lost control of Delta.
No.
Kinukuha nila yung D.
The enemy have taken more objectives.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, he's under attack.
Eh, namatay ako. May tumatakbo dito
Oh,
sa
man.
gilid.
There's one on the left there. I'm not gonna make it.
Unlocks naman nila. I think we need to regroup.
Where?
Attack support needed on marked
HQ,
objectives.
HQ.
Yeah, I'm on HQ.
And then let's go back to D.
D?
We have secured more
Sa ibang
objectives.
pwesto ko.
Ikutan
Gumaan.
natin. Sige, sige. Uy, kalaban!
Be advised,
Laban,
Charlie
Vic.
under
Yep.
attack.
Left, left, left.
Right eye. Damn. Far away. I'm gonna flank on the left.
Updated.
Sige lang, sige lang. Back, back.
Nandyan sa ano?
Oh, it's at E! They're at E. Back all the way
On
left.
Delta.
Or else
May,
we're
may
gonna-
kalaban tayo? O, maano kita?
Meron, marami. Magano ako. Mag-respond.
Ah, magre-reserve ka. Okay.
Got one.
Our forces have neutralized Delta.
Yan. Left, left, left.
I thought there was two of them.
Shit! I heard a snipe.
There. Oh, he got me.
Ow! Ayun!
Maintain your attack.
Uy, si Axel din ang pumatay sa akin, oh. A-X-E-L.
What? What? Fake. Fake, guys.
Attack support
Ay!
needed on the marked
Pinuntahan pa ako nung tao. Ba't may Bluetooth na? Di ba yun?
Kaya nga, may blue dun.
Where are you spawning? Oh, there's a tank right there. Oh,
May
there's
tank
two
na
tanks.
papunta.
I'm gonna go to E.
I'm gonna... Yeah,
It's under
spawn
attack.
at E.
There's the tent. Nice. You got a gun or yes? Let me. Oh yeah. I got the gun.
Uy! Sama ba? Sama.
Oh. Oh shit! Another tank.
Nasa likod ako.
Wala kang sinil eh.
Landmines. Watch out for landmines, bro. Got one. Oh man, we're gonna blow up.
Ay,
Oh, right away.
natuloy ako.
Oh, what the hell? There's like a drone there.
Hostiles now
May tago din.
objectives out.
Eh. Oh, freaking.
Saan kayo pupunta?
May kalaban dyan, Jerome.
There's a fight for Matt. Oh, shit.
Marami pa dyan, marami.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. Oh, shit, man. You gonna make it? No, he's dead.
Makadama kayo dyan?
Yeah, nakuha. So, tara punta natin sa Jerome.
Saan tayo?
This one is
Jerome,
empty.
Jerome.
Get him, get him.
Madami dyan.
I'm running away. Oh, didn't make it.
Dami dyan? Ah!
Hey, good, are you good?
Suppressive fire! May ammo dito ammo bag.
Stop them before we lose our lead.
Nasaan ang ammo bag?
It's on top of the box.
Ow,
Nasaan?
Oh, you're under the tank. Now we're gonna revive you.
Ha? Nasa kabe? Oh, you died?
Nice. Nice fighting.
Oh, it's tunnel where we are. Where we were at the tunnel. Marami.
I only have a handgun.
Yo, you're not gonna revive him. Oh shit! Second floor.
Nice one. We got it.
Ay!
Ay!
Meron sa...
Akin na.
May tangke sa likod! May tangke.
There's a tank right there.
Enemy forces taking the lead.
I-revive sana kita, be.
May tao.
Patay kami.
Nakita ko ng tank.
Building, eh.
Oh, where are we spawning? E? Oh.
E.
Let me ride. Give me a ride. Oh man. Sumabit.
Our forces control more objectives than the enemy.
We don't have engineers, sorry.
May ano sa... Kumukuha ng E. May bumabaril sa akin dito sa E.
Aray!
Dami.
Sniper, may sniper.
Oh shit. Dami dito.
Yeah, huwag dyan.
They got in. They're flanking us.
Atras ka din.
Ha?
Atras, balik sa echo. Mamamatay ka dyan.
Nandito lang ako sa E eh. Ay! Ayan.
Yeah.
Nananahimik ako eh.
Ayun, marami na dyan eh.
May kumuha sa E. Nananahimik ako dito eh.
We'll get it back.
May tank. Ayan o, be, sa harapan.
Okay.
Sino ba yan?
Nice one!
Ang dami sa harapan ah.
Be careful.
Ay, sa likod! Zay, nandiyan na.
Ay! O, sa likod.
Yeah.
Nope.
Ito saan mo, be?
Hindi ako driver.
Ay, hindi ka ba?
Gunner.
Zay, resu, Zay.
Ay, die.
Collapse. Oh man.
Salamat!
We need to rally defense for the marked objective.
Oh, there's a lot of them.
Combat. May tangke dito sa headquarter, be.
Oh, nice. I'm going. Where is it?
May kumuha na eh.
Oh, okay.
Susundan ka?
Ay!
Don't leave me.
Dami!
May tangke din pala sa harapan.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no no.
May drone.
I'm gonna kill their engineer.
May tangke! Talo yung tangke namin!
Yep.
Sniper.
Oh, thank you.
Ay, namatay pa ako.
Back to
Nahuli
there.
ako. Pareso dito sa skinny tank. Kung kaya.
Ay! Nasaan yun? Nasa ano? Nandun eh. Nakatayo sa ano, sa pasil.
Saan?
May sniper papunta dyan sa harapan nyo.
Oh, nag-slide pa talaga. Namatay naman.
Nice.
Slide and die.
We're gonna lose. Capture D.
Don't wanna capture something? Oh man.
Capture!
Ay, ow, ow. Meron dyan sa baba.
Where?
Kung saan ako na dead.
Oh yeah, I got one. Yeah, tag them. Tag them. Can't see any.
Sa likod ng tangke doon, meron.
Tag him.
Right there.
Yeah. We're back. We all have one though.
Aray. Kalaban pala
Sa,
dyan.
sa kanan mo, ang dami.
Got him.
The road.
There's another one.
Ay! Naano ko. Uy, sa kanan. Sa likod, be, meron tao sa likod.
Oh man.
We've lost control of objective Echo.
Thank you.
The enemy is still winning the fight. Hit back and take control. We've lost control of Delta.
Oh, tank.
Malayo
May
ako.
may tank.
Be advised, the enemy is taking Delta.
Thank you. Hey, come on. Me too.
Enemy still controlling
Come on.
tactics.
Revive me, bro. I'm
I'm
right
too far?
here, bro. Damn. You just let us die.
You died.
Sabog.
Be advised, hostile
Oh, what's it?
Echo.
Where we going?
We're moving an objective charge.
Ay, sa likod, Rai, meron. Dahil. Sa likod mo. Did you die?
Ay! Meron pa? Sorry.
Sa...
Napatay ko yung isa yung pumatay sa iyo eh.
May nag-ano eh. Defibrillator. Hindi ako naabutan.
Yeah, that was me. I was there.
Where'd my frag go?
Somebody's thing's beeping here.
Ha?
Hindi, yung pang-deploy nila.
May kumuha ng E. May...
Attacking Charlie.
Alright. There's two of them. Oh, I died.
Wala akong makita. Ay,
Sa likod natin.
Palikod na.
Ow! Ayun, nahuli ako. Wala, we're sitting up.
ang dami nasa likod kanina, di ba? Yung mga blue.
Oo, nawala. Bigla.
Objective.
Naubos siguro sila. Just when you thought it was safe.
Oh, nice. Who's driving?
Si Zeo nasa tangke.
We're just passengers here. Shoot him, shoot him.
Maraming tangke ang mga ano dyan. Ay, tangke na naman. They have 2 tanks.
Oh, I'm not an engineer. No, I'm on top of the tank. Revive me. Thank
Ah!
you.
Good. We secured Delta.
Oh,
Pataas. Sa building.
Be advised, Objective Echo is in enemy hands. Be advised, mission close to failure. Keep on
Defeat is imminent.
Sure.
Ah, shit.
go.
I don't know where the people are. I can't see anything.
Got 2.
Det, likod mo. Det, likod mo. Likod mo, Det.
Likod ko.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Ano?
They're gonna spawn in the back of you. They're taking the back alley.
Ayan oh, may sinasaksak. Sinaksak.
Nakakakaw.
Sinaksak si Jay. Hindi ko ma-revive.
I already told you. Na-assassinate tuloy si Zay.
Uy,
Nakadapa ako eh. Nakita ako ginano si Zay oh. Sinaksak.
Ulit eh.
Wisit na yun.
Oh, 20 kills si Jerome. Oh.
Oh man. Nice.
Nakatangke siya eh.
No. Those were assault kills.
Ito mahirap.
Ito ba yung open area?
Yeah, this is the open area. You probably wanna just snipe here.
Snipe.
Alright, let's go. Conquest. Oh yeah, I'm gonna ride the chopper. Hurry.
Marunong ka mag-chopper?
Come on, I don't know, whatever. Let's do this, right? Drive with me.
I'm here.
Come on.
Huh?
First time flyer here.
Huh?
Let's go. You ready? You guys ready?
Oh, fuck.
You guys
Come on.
ready?
Where we going,
man?
man? Don't ano? Gonna crush.
Watch this. I'm moving forward by tilting forward.
Oh shit, we're gonna die!
No, we're not.
Uy! Uy!
Jump!
Alam ko ba? Anong nangyari doon, Jay?
I don't know. I didn't have a license. I don't have a helicopter license.